Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped, and welcome to this week's Midweek 180, the last of 2021. But more of that in a moment. If you've not seen one of these before, this is my midweek update where I bring you my news, views, and information about upcoming reviews, all filmed in one take. I'm going to put 180 seconds in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and that's it, a very simple format. So without further ado, let's get cracking with this week's Midweek 180. I shall start my timer. Okay, last week's leader of the pack was Ben Higginson. Congratulations, mate. Joined in the Magnificent Seven by Michael Kember, Paul Mead, Francois G, Leanne Jackson, Lawrence Wilkes, and Stevie 007. So whoever puts the first comment this week, you'll be my leader of the pack next week, and the first 7 comments, you will be in my Magnificent Seven. Where are you and what you're doing? Well, we didn't have one last week. You were all so absorbed by the Formula One topic, nobody put where they were and what they were doing. So wherever you are right now, and whatever you're doing, put it in the comments below, and I'll give you a shout out next week. Last week's question was about F1. Plenty of feedback, comments, thoughts, and opinions about that, which was a lot of fun. This week's question, really simple. I'd just love to know what your plans are for Christmas. How long you've got off work? Are you planning to meet family and friends? What are you going to be doing? Because I'd love to know. Now then, F1 news very briefly. I spotted something today, which was the list of the most expensive crash repair bills per driver in Formula One for this season. The cheapest, number 20, was Esteban Ocon at £238,000, closely followed by Fernando Alonso at £268,000. But the top three, get this, coming in number 3, Max Verstappen, with a total repair bill cost this season of £3.33 million. Number 2, Charles Leclerc at £3.44 million. And the most expensive repair bill on the F1 grid this year, Mick Schumacher at £3.58 million worth of crash damage. Ouch. New car news. Mini spy shots. These actually broke cover a few days ago now. These spy shots were captured in China, apparently, of the next generation of Mini, which I don't think we're going to see till about 2023. Front end looks quite similar, but the rear is the difference. Those lights are very, very different, and they even got some spy shots of the new interior, or what that might look like, dominated by quite a different central screen and also head-up display and so on. I'd love to know what you think about that. Apparently, the all-EV car is going to be based on a platform developed by BMW and Chinese SUV manufacturer the Great Wall, but the petrol one is basically going to be using BMW underpinnings. And then they've got some other interesting stuff coming out as well. I don't know if you saw this. This is probably a month old now, so apologies for that. This is the Urbanaut, which is like a little kind of SUV minivan thing. It looks quite cool. Last few bits about the last remaining videos of the year. This Friday at 6, I'm not doing a video, I'm doing a live stream. So I'm doing beer and banter, although it might be champagne, at 6 o'clock on Friday. I know it's Christmas Eve, but I thought it would be a bit of fun, and I think I've even persuaded Mrs. Petrol Ped to join in as well. I would love to see as many of you as possible on the live stream this Friday at 6. Oh, very nearly. And then I will be, as every year I've done it, I'll be doing my Petrol Ped speech or Queen's speech on Christmas Day at 3 o'clock. That will go live on YouTube and on Facebook, which I've done that. So if you don't want to watch Liz, although I think probably what you should do is watch Liz and then tune in to me. So I'll be doing that on Christmas Day. And then next week, I'm going to have some time off. I'm not doing a video on Monday, and I'm not going to do a midweek 180 next week. But I will be doing a video on Friday, which is the 31st. I know it's New Year's Eve, but I'm going to be doing basically a look back at this year like I always do every year with all of I'm going to delve into my analytics, give you my numbers and top videos and just general thoughts for the year. It's been a pretty special year. Above my head, you might see that. That arrived this year, so that was clearly the highlight of the year, my 100,000 subscriber silver play button, but there was plenty of other stuff to talk about. And that's it. And I'm really hoping, and I don't know whether it's going to be possible, that we might hit 130,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So by the 31st, by the last video of the year, I would love to be at 130,000 subscribers. I've got about 600 to go, I think, something like that. So it's doable, but I need your help. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Anyway, that's it for now. I will see you on Friday at 6 for a live stream. Beer, stroke champagne and banter with me and Mrs. Petrol Ped if we're really, really lucky. And we might get the pups on there as well. But for now, if you've liked that one, give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come, and I'll see you on that one. Live stream, guys, Christmas Eve, 6 o'clock. Be there or be square. See you then. Take care and drive safe.